Alright, so the old 2001 Pontiac Grand Am just rolled 300,000 miles. Great car, and really had minimal problems over the years. However, not long after turning 300,000, like within a couple hundred miles, she overheated. I truly believe it overheated because of a water leak, and also I don't think that there's any major damage implications from it. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all the leak and show you how I temporarily fixed it, and we're going to fix it right. Alright, so I'll go ahead and start off by showing you where I believe the problem was. Here's the coolant tank. Alright, right here you can see this, see how it's flexing all around. That had actually blown off and there was coolant going everywhere. So I took and I glued it with E6000, my favorite glue in the world. Get that stuff just about anywhere. And much to my surprise, it's held. Now, for obvious reasons, I am a little apprehensive about doing any serious driving with a reservoir tank that I'm holding together with glue from the hardware store, but it has held so far. Now, the E6000 repair method, it may have gotten me out of a pickle, but like I said, I don't really trust it long term. And I can't in good conscience say, hey, fix it with E6000, you'll be fine. I'm just saying, it got me out of a pickle, and it worked for me. But I'm going to go ahead and put this new tank in. This is one I got off Rock Auto. Doesn't appear to be a whole lot to this. In fact, all I see the holes, it's this clip right here, and a tie down here, and then the hoses. So anyway, sit by side for right this moment. Go ahead and start taking the hoses off here. Alright, so this one's the overflow. Cool. And now, yeah, I'm using a small pair of vice grips. Well, I think I am. I may have to get something a little bigger, like channel locks or something. Hold on. Well, I went looking for channel locks for these long nose vice grips. First thing I found. So I'll give them a shot. Oh damn, that's broken. Anyway, alright, let's see how this one does. Come on! Get off my tank! Oh my. Oh my, what in the world is that? And this one, well, that means stop, slam up. That could also have something to do with things. La 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 la. I've heard people call these double clamps because only Satan himself could come up with something so wretched. Also heard that if you have a correct tool, it's not bad. And now I just need to get that nut off, bolt, whatever that is. 3/8, so that probably means it's 10 millimeter. Go get something for that. Alright, so I play a little bit of find the 10 millimeter. And really, I did not want a nut driver, but that was the first 10 millimeter I found, so nut driver it is. That's getting the job done. Yeah, I replaced that cap not too awful long ago. I think when I did the thermostat, I think's when I did it. So I'll keep that cap as a spare. Go ahead. I guess first things first, go ahead and clip the wire to the new one. Stay. So I'm going to rotate the hose over. Come on, get in your spot. There. We get that, put that back where it goes. The hook there, and the bolt there. Again, not drive her down. Alright, so that's really, we got it mounted. Alright, there's that one. Put this one here. And yes, this one would go here. Pull that down a little bit. Yeah. Evo. Alright, so literally that quick we've got the tank change. That was a pretty easy job. So now I just need to put some coolant in there and bleed it out. Unfortunately, I think that's going to require a trip to the parts store because I think I'm out of coolant. But anyway, I'll also say that when I changed the thermostat on this car, I converted it to the universal stuff. I drained all the Det's Cool out of it, so I don't have to use Det's Cool anymore. Yeah, just need to fill it up, bleed the air out of the system, and she'll be good to go again. Alright, so I made a little trip down to the AutoZone. Why I like AutoZone? Well, it doesn't matter if I go that way out of my driveway or that way out of my driveway. AutoZone's half the distance to any other store. And in a semi-rural area, that's saying like 5 miles as opposed to 10. So, anyway, got me some antifreeze. And since I've been topping this off, since I had some issues, I'd been topping off with straight water. So I'm going to put straight antifreeze in it. I live in Virginia, and this car really doesn't go that far from where I live. All we read is some water, some antifreeze. We don't have to have a perfect 50-50 mix, so I'm not going to really worry about it. If you live in a colder or hotter climate, you may need to do some more with that, but like I said, this is Virginia. It doesn't get that cold here. Because if you're like Wyoming or Alaska or something, it may matter. Where are the lines on this thing? Okay. Lines, naturally, I'm over it, I think. Am I? Overfill it a little bit. Alright, also, she goes through some power steering fluid. So we'll go ahead and top that off. She just sucked a lot in when I just started to. So let's go ahead and top off again. The bleeder screw you can crack open here. Maybe I should do that, but I think what I'm going to do is just ride it, let it bubble, top it off, ride it, let it bubble. Alright, so I'm just riding around a local neighborhood. This light's come on. That had never come on in all my years of knowing this vehicle. Fortunately, the temperature's not looking bad at all, but you know, there's a wire of it plugged into the reservoir. Evidently, I'm going to guess that's where it goes to. And probably me driving around this little bit. By the way, I've gone a mile. I'm going to guess that hadn't been working in years. I probably could have prevented half this crap had I even known about it. So, anyway, I'm not going to take too much time. I'm going to head back to the house. Luckily, not going far, and we'll see how big an air pocket we burped out of it. Never open hot. Okay. Now, like I said, on my little quick drive, the temperatures were holding great. Couldn't ask for better. The low coolant light came on, and I agree, this tank's empty. You may have noticed I was just using regular universal coolant. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in the video or not, but this vehicle's been flushed of that Dead School crap, so I'm not running that anymore. And also, I got this left over from my emergency situation where I had to top off of something. So we're going to make this in the mix. Mixed. So I put the full gallon of antifreeze in it, and however much water that was. This thing's evidently baffled too. I don't think the old one was. That's a good thing. Anyway, I'm going to give it another test run, see how we do. I think I'm going to like having that temperature or that level light on there, because I'll keep it from getting too low again. Alright, so, yeah, we ignore the other lights, have for years, but temperature's holding good. It doesn't look like I'm going to be getting much more work done today, because that, I heard some booms while I was adding coolant to the car. Now I see this. Yeah, I'm back done for the day. And while I may be done for the day, I've still got several other automotive jobs to be done. I got cars to revive. Just got a title for that Camaro. Thank God. It worked out. So we're going to have a lot coming up on that. And some cars I hadn't been on the channel in a while, but yeah, I still got them. Anybody remember the Falcon? Has anybody even ever seen my red Galaxy? Or my black one for that fact. They're all coming back very soon. So, you don't want to miss any of that content. Hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing. It helps the channel a lot. It helps me get more subscribers. When I get more subscribers, then I have more resources to save more cars and do more and better things. So yeah, hit that. It costs you nothing. Helps me out. I'm not saying make me filthy rich. That's not the goal. We're trying to save cars here. So anyway, till next time, take care of yourself. Take care of your cars, trucks, whatever, and just be good to each other. There's enough friction in the world. We just need to work to make it a better place. So take care, and I'll see you again soon.